I've always wanted to build a sub counter for my YouTube channel, but something a little bit more interesting. I had this idea that the progress of your journey that you can put in on your table, it can be a little bit more personal. You look at it and say, nice, let's go. So the concept is casting my own hand and turning it into a sub counter that gives me a thumbs up for every new subscriber I get. I used a hand casting kit to make the mold, and I used plaster for the casting. I hollowed out the inside of the hand to make room for the thumb mechanism. I used a mini router to separate the thumb. I spent a lot of time thinking about the hinge. The simplest solution I found was using the hinge from an old broken pair of glasses. Plaster is very soft and most glues don't stick to it. However, epoxy putty works great. I use it for almost all the connections. As for fetching the live subscriber count from the YouTube API, I won't cover that here. There are already many great videos on YouTube that explain it in detail. I did most of that part with the help of ChatGPT. The real challenge was the mechanical work. After moving the servo motor and adjusting the connection, I finally got the movement I wanted. Since I don't have many subscribers right now, I decided not to show the live count. Instead, I just uploaded a simple program that simulates the effect every 3 seconds. Once I have more subscribers, I'll update it with the real program.